Welcome to the land of samurai, sushi, and some of the world's coolest vending machines. Yes, you guessed it. Japan. But wait, this isn't just another travel video. For the next 11 minutes we're diving deep into the side of Japan that'll blow your mind. From robot-run hotels to ancient traditions that still beat in modern Tokyo's heart. This is Japan like you've never seen before. Did you know that Japan has more pets than children? Yep. Cats and dogs outnumber kids here. And honestly, who wouldn't want a Shiba Inu instead of a screaming toddler? Or how about this? In Japan, there are over 5 million vending machines. And they don't just sell drinks. You can buy hot ramen, t-shirts, umbrellas, batteries, or even a full meal just like that. Oh, and if you're late in Japan, you better have a great excuse, because here, trains apologize for being 20 seconds late. 20 seconds, if only airlines worked that way, right? Let's talk about the beauty of Japanese culture. From the minimalist elegance of a tea ceremony, to the jaw-dropping pageantry of geisha dances, every moment feels like a step back in time. And then there's kintsugi, the art of repairing broken pottery with gold. Yes, you heard that right. They fix things with gold. Because in Japan, flaws aren't hidden, they're turned into art. Imagine if we did that with our mistakes. We'd all be golden by now. Where else can you hike through ancient bamboo forests in the morning and shop in a high-tech Tokyo district by noon? Only in Japan. Mount Fuji stands like a sleeping guardian. Sakura cherry blossoms fall like pink snowflakes in the spring, and the sound of temple bells echoes through Kyoto's quiet lanes. It's poetry, with a bullet train zooming by at 320 kilometers per h. Japanese cuisine isn't just food, it's an experience. Sushi is just the beginning. Ever heard of okonomiyaki? It's a savory pancake party on a plate. Or takoyaki, octopus balls that are dangerously addictive. And don't even get me started on ramen alleys, hidden backstreet heavens, where you can slurp your soul into happiness. Food here tells a story of regions, seasons, and tradition. Every bite is a flavor adventure. Japan is where ancient shrines exist next to robot-run hotels. It's the only place where you can get blessed by a monk and then served by a machine 5 minutes later. Bullet trains don't just move fast. They're faster than a cheetah on energy drinks. And yes, Japan is currently developing a space elevator. I mean, come on. A space elevator. Japan has a crying sumo contest where wrestlers compete to make babies cry. Yes, that's a real thing. There's an island called Okunoshima where hundreds of fluffy rabbits roam free. It's literally called Rabbit Island. Square watermelons? Yep, they grow them. Why? Because Japan. People take forest baths. Not literal baths. It's called Shinrin-yoku, the art of walking slowly in the woods for peace of mind. So, if you thought Japan was just sushi and anime, think again. It's a wonderland of contrasts, a living harmony between the future and the past. And that's what makes it magical. If you enjoyed this journey and want to travel the world from your screen, hit that subscribe button and become part of our growing travel tribe. There's a lot more coming, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.